In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a JIRA ticket in Confluence. Now to do this, you first want to open any of your pages in Confluence, and you want to start by pressing / and then typing JIRA. So here a bunch of different things are going to open up. You want to click on this one, JIRA Work Items, which is going to allow you to basically insert things from JIRA Cloud with enhanced search, filtering, and configuration. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on over here, but of course you could also use any of the other ones here. So if I, for example, select this legacy here, you could also select this if you want to. Now I'm gonna go with the one I selected prior to this, so this JIRA Work Items. And as you can see here, if you've been using JIRA, you likely are familiar with this. So in here you can just find the project, select it, and it's going to show you everything in there. For example, I have a task over here, and then of course you can kind of filter this. You can change my work type, status, assignee, etc. And you can just click on the insert results button, and there we go. We've successfully added a JIRA ticket in Confluence. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.